Okay, this is my Husky project center. It is 27 inches wide, comes with a 3-year warranty. It has one drawer that can hold up to 50 pounds and 2 doors. Also comes with a mat, a paper towel holder, very big wheels, a power strip, and a handle, and a 20-inch pegboard that's on the back. Which is also durable, and it's made out of metal. So the whole thing is very good metal, very thick metal. Comes with instructions in English and Spanish, and very nicely packaged, I should also say, so it doesn't get dented. But it's also pretty thick. I turned it upside down and I'm opening it up from the bottom, but actually I could have gotten away with just opening it up from the top and turning it upside down. Anyway. I believe weighs, I don't know how much it weighs, but I was able to, one man can carry it, so it's not that much, maybe about 50 pounds or less. So while I'm removing the packaging, this is the underside where the wheels go. As mentioned, the wheels are huge, and they bolt into these nuts that are pre-installed. I believe these are the M6 or M8 16, so these are the M6 bolts, I believe. And they are quite huge. This is the pegboard, and it gets fastened with 2 bolts. Also, there are 4 bins, which are convenient. You can put some parts in there in the back. These are lockable. The drawer and the doors are lockable. The doors are magnetically held and a strong magnet. And as mentioned, that these drawers slide back and forth very easily, and they use ball bearings. It also comes with a huge thick mat that says Husky on it, so I really like the mat. It's so that whatever you put on there doesn't get scratched, or the metal surface doesn't get scratched. So this is very good, thick material in terms of steel that it has. And let's see what else. It's about 18 inches wide, and this is the power strip. The power strip comes with 2 USB ports and a reset button, and the power cord comes out from the inside, and it has the screws or the nuts for the handlebar, as well as a place to wrap up the power cord so that it doesn't get in the way of things. These are the wheels I was talking about. 2 are lockable and 2 swivel. I mean, the lockable ones swivel and 2 are straight. They don't lock, I believe. So you should obviously put the 2 swivel ones on one side and then the non-swivel ones on the other side. It is suggested that you put the swivel ones where the handlebar is, so you could just pull it and then it'll turn the way you want it to go. So note that when you're doing the installation. And let's see, the handlebar it's also nice and thick. And I'm just comparing this to my previous, my other cart, and these wheels, as you can tell, it's much bigger than the other one. Let's see here, as you saw the mat. Oh, these magnetic paper towel holders are also very nice. They are very strong, and they're encased in plastic, so you can also use this magnet for other things. Holding vinyl wrap on your car if you're vinyl wrapping your car. And I just used my driver to bolt everything. It was just a lot faster. It does come with an Allen wrench, as you can see, but it was just faster with this one. That's all. So here it is, all done. Overall, it looks very nice, and I can't complain. I really like it. I don't have the mat on here, but the mat is nice. It says Husky on it, and it's nice and thick too. And yeah, putting it together took a very short time, and it's not bad. It's about $70 or so. This is where you just screw in the holders for the power cord, and it's pretty straightforward installation. Overall, I think it's a great value, and the USB ports are a nice plus. You can charge your phone or charge anything else, and the handlebar is also nice. And the paper towel holder is nice as well, and the mat is very nice. Thanks for watching.